Hello students, welcome in your English online class. We are going to do exercise number 18.12 related to the topic past continuous tense. It is given in your book of Brevia at page number 99. So let us go through the exercise. In this exercise, we have to convert the following affirmative sentences into negatives. We have to change these given sentences into negative form. Negative means we have to add the word not. We know it well. But not word doesn't come alone. अकेला नहीं आता है not word. It always requires the help of any helping verb. So if we are having helping verb, we will directly add not. But if the helping verb is not there, what do? We will put did. Did plus not, because the tense is past continuous tense. And we have already done present continuous tense. और present में हमने क्या किया था? helping verb कौन सी ली थी? do and does. and past में क्या बनेगा? did. So let us start the exercise. The train left the station on time. Now we are having no helping verb here. So in order to convert it into negative, what do? We will make use of the helping verb did. The train did not left the station on time. Full stop. Next is the children waited for the last bell. Similarly, in this sentence also we are not having any helping verb. So what do? We will write, yes class. So we will write the sentence the children. Now we are having no helping verb. As I told you, we will make use of did. Did not wait. Because after did we will apply first form of the verb. Here waited is given. This was simple past tense. Now we are making use of the negative one. So after did we will go with first form of the verb. Did not wait for the last bus. Is it okay? Next is third. The police fired bullets at the speeding car. Now in order to convert it into negative, the police did not fire. It will become first form of the verb. Because students, did itself is the second form. Do, did, done. Did is the second form of the verb. So we will apply first form after did. Did not fire bullets of the speeding car. At the speeding car. At number 4, the doctor was examining the patients. Now here we are having that helping verb is given here, was. So what do? The doctor was not examining. Similar same words will come, the patients. Next is the shopkeeper offered a good discount. In order to make negative, the shopkeeper did not offer a good discount. This offered word will become offer. Next is he was waiting for the last bus. He was not waiting for the last bus. Next is the cat spoilt the milk. The cat did not spoil the milk. At number 8, children were having fun at the zoo. Children were not having fun at the zoo. Here helping verb is given, so simply we will add the word not. The hospital staff treated him badly. The hospital staff did not treat them badly. Did not treat. Keep it in mind. Next is the plane was flying at a height of 35,000 feet. The plane was not will come after was helping verb, was not flying at a height of 35,000 feet. So class, this was your exercise number 18.12. I hope you have now clear clarification of this exercise. Keep on trying. Thank you students.